Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this share Grasim Industries. First of all, let's see the stock opened gap up. It made a high of 1409 on intraday levels and it failed to cross this level. Okay, and what happened next? The stock fell down drastically and made a low of 1362.60. Why it made a low of 1362.60? It's actually a Fibonacci number. See, this is the swing low and this is the swing high for Grasim Industries, and the stock went down till 1362.6 rupees exact. And what can happen tomorrow? See, this is the resistance which is created now. Okay, this is the resistance which this stock will face, 1409 rupees, which will act as a psychological resistance for this stock, 1400 level. And if the stock opens around here tomorrow, or even if it goes up till here, then 1400 will act as a resistance and the stock may fall till 1385 level tomorrow also. Okay, and one more thing, if the stock manages to go below 1362, 1362, 1360, I'm sorry, then it may fall till 1325. Thank you for watching.